Are you tired of scouring the internet for the best AI tools in 2023? Look no further because this video got you. We have done all the hard work and we have come up with a list of the top best free AI tools in 2023. Now, whether you're a content creator, whether you are just a tech enthusiast or you're looking for solutions to solve problems, well, we've got you covered. And as I said, this video contains the best free AI tools because we have tested over 100 AI tools on the internet and we have made sure that this will actually give you the best out of the best of all of them. Now, the first one I have to talk about is Adobepodacst. There is no need for microphones anymore. All you have to do is to record your video as I do right now, take the MP3 file, upload it onto the podcast, and it makes your audio sounds like you are actually using a podcast. Now, listen to this and tell me if it makes sense. How my audio sounds without the podcast, and this is how my audio sounds with the podcast just turned on. Now, the second one I want to talk about is something that I have used personally to create YouTube videos, and I want to talk about this free text-to-speech software called Watson Text-to-Speech. Now, Watson Text-to-Speech comes in different languages. It comes in different dialects based on the languages you have chosen, and of course, it has different voices in it. A limitation to it is it takes just 5,000 characters, and also you need an extension like IDM to be able to extract the audio from it, but it's actually very crystal clear. Now, this video you're seeing on the screen was done with AI and it's actually monetizable. I use Watson Text-to-Speech and it's a monetizable channel right now. Now, the third AI tool you have to use, probably you're looking for ways to escape from plagiarism, you're avoiding copyrighted content from text you have copied from your website. This website will do the work for you. It's called Spinbot. Spinbot is an article writer and of course it does the work so perfectly. Now, I'll use this text as a sample and you'll see the difference with what it does. You see, it changes everything and it makes sense, right? The next AI tool I want to talk about is still an alternative to Spinbot. It's called Article Writer Tool. Although both of them have similar uses, but the way they spin the article or the way they interpret the articles might be different. In this case, it talks about dogs, but in the other case, it says canines. So there's a little bit of a difference between the two, and trust me, you can actually use this. Now, this next AI tool I want to talk about is very underrated, but trust me, it's something that most of you guys already know, and I don't know what to say. Some of you guys might not know this. It's remove.bg. What remove.bg does is it actually removes any background from your picture, right? It's pretty simple. You upload a picture onto the platform, and of course, when the AI is done enhancing and removing the background, you can have the download button there. But if you want to get the HD version, you have to actually pay for it. Now, the next AI tool is going to blow your mind forever. This AI tool will take a YouTube video and convert it to text. It's called Copycat. The link will be on the description. All you have to do is to share the link of that video, you paste it into Copycat, and then you choose the different formats in which you want the video to look. Is it friendly? Is it entertaining? And you choose the style as well. Do you want it to be article-wise? Do you want it to be informative? I mean, the different matrices you can try out there. Now, when you're done, you click on generate and it generates a whole text from the video you have copied. Now, trust me, the text that is generated is unique and it won't be the same as what the person has been saying in the video. This is a mind-blowing AI tool. To learn about how I was able to make $500 using this tool every single day, you can click on the video here because it explains a lot in it. Now, the next AI tool I want to talk about is something that is very interesting. Now, do you know you can use AI to create your own music? It's pretty simple. This AI tool has 4 steps. Step 1 is having to choose a song. Step 2 is choosing a singer. Step 3 is the lyrics, and of course, you have to download the sound itself. Now, this AI tool is called Voice Mode. The link will be in the description, as I said before. And let me just play this awesome song I made for my own self and tell me how it sounds.
Hello, my name is Awesome Lucky, and I'm the best in my place. I talk about ways to grow on YouTube and tools you will need.
Is it awesome? You're probably looking for an AI tool where you can use text to video, right? Don't worry, because I've got you. Flicky is the new AI tool that can do the job for you. Although it's free for some time and you can use it for limited characters, but well, you can go for the paid version. Now, Flicky just enables you to actually choose the text you want to place in. You choose the speaker, and of course, one thing I like about it is it gives you the option to look for videos that you want to use. So it's pretty easy. It has different sections. Now I'm gonna play a video I actually made with Flicky, and if you want to try it, the link will be on the description section.
Dogs. Here are the best breeds of dogs in 2023.
Have you thought of creating AI songs but using, let's say, Snoop Dogg's voice? Don't worry, because I got you. Adobepodacst is a platform that will do this for you. All you have to do is sign up, and of course there's a free trial. Sign up and then you put in the characters, the text you want to put in there. You choose the rapper, and of course the work will be done for you. Now, it's pretty easy to use, and of course it's something that I use sometimes that I want to just make some spicy things on my reels or on my TikToks. So check this out. Does it make sense?
Cruising down the coast, feeling the heat. Dark streets, neon lights can't be beat. Palm trees sway to the rhythm of the beat. In California, life is sweet, and you see.
For full access to Uber Duck, sign up for our premium plan.
Now, this next AI tool is completely gonna blow your mind. It's called Microsoft Designer. Now, I'm just gonna show you a sample of what I'm doing. I set here an Instagram post about the best oil products for the month of May, right? So we're gonna click generate. It takes some time to generate the image, but trust me, it generates a perfect looking Instagram post. Now, for content creators who are based for Instagram, this will be very useful. And sometimes if you want to make this captivating Instagram layout, well, this will do, because it doesn't take time, and of course you can always edit the final product. Another cool thing about it is you can actually add your own image to this AI generated Instagram post. Does this not make a lot of sense? Now take a good look at this and tell me if it's not really cute. Now the next AI tool I want to talk about is something that most of us already know, ChatGPT, but ChatGPT in a completely different way. Now I want to tell you that ChatGPT can do a lot of things most people didn't think it could do. Now, do you know that I could take a YouTube link and paste it into ChatGPT and tell it to give me a summary of everything I need? And do you still know that ChatGPT can reparaphrase an article for you? Do you know that ChatGPT can summarize an article for you? And the best thing about ChatGPT is I always ask it for keywords and I tell it to make a YouTube description for each of my own videos. Now, this will completely blow your mind, because the intro I spoke about at the beginning of this video was done with ChatGPT. Yes, you heard me right. You see, ChatGPT can do a lot of things, but everything is based on the kind of prompt you actually feed it into the bot, right? Or give into it, and how you actually train the bot to interact with you as well. Now, the next AI tool I want to talk about is this channel monetized? Yes, sometimes you guys might want to know about a channel, if it's monetizable or not on YouTube, right? Simply just copy the link of the channel, paste it into this AI tool called is this channel monetized, and of course it's going to give you the answer if the channel is into the YouTube partner program or not. Crazy. Now the next AI tool I want to talk about is something that I have been using for a while now, and I want to tell you it works perfectly. It's called Descript. Descript is a text to video editor. Now it kind of confuses you at the start when you want to use it, but it's pretty simple. All you have to do is download and install the application on your PC. The next thing is just to sign up, and of course it gives you a 28 days free subscription. Now you can convert text to speech, you can overdub voices and use someone's voice as your text to speech. You can also delete a certain portion of a text and it deletes that part in the video. And one thing I actually love about Descript, it gives me automatic captions as well on my videos, right? So try out Descript. Trust me, it's something that if you want to go for a paid version, you're going to enjoy it to its full potential. Now, do you want to change your voice to another person's voice, right? Are you looking for the best video editor for your smartphone in 2022?
Looking for the best video editor for your smartphone in 2022?
That is something that a lot of people want to use. Now, Fine Voice will do the work for you. All you have to do is just to record your voice onto this platform, and it's going to change it to something very unique. Now, finally, I want to give you the mother of all AI tools, because this is going to completely blow your mind. This is called futuretools.io. It contains a lot of free AI tools. In short, most of the AI tools I've spoken about in today's video, I got them from with futuretools.io. All you have to do is to filter out based on what you want. Is it free, premium, GitHub, Google, Collab, open source, paid, whatsoever you want, and it comes in different categories, AI detection, and so much more, right? Now, feel free to click the link on the description section to access any of these tools, and trust me, you will gonna enjoy everything I've said in today's video. Now, to support this channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. To learn how I make $500 every single day by uploading YouTube videos. Now, click here, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.